we have got more new cubes. This is the Christmas unboxing. So many new cubes. It can't even fit. It can't even all fit. Okay, so let's start with this. The RSVN V2. Okay, let's unbox this. The MOU RSVN V2. How do you open this thing? Oh, it's here, I think. Right. Wait, what? Yeah, like that. I think. Yeah. Here's the cube. Of course, MOUs gives you these cube boxes again. It's just, I don't know why they give you these many boxes. How do you open? Oh, what is this? Wrapping. Okay. Okay. Let's do first turns. The magnets are like light, kind of. The magnets are very light, but it is pretty fast. I think if you loop this would be better. Okay, let's move on to the next cube. Okay, so this is a cube I'm very excited about. This is the MGC square one, but it's Angstrom looped. Angstrom. So, should be pretty good. This is my first square one, by the way. Wait, how do you open this? Finally, I opened it. First turns of a square one. The sound is very clicky, like. This is a very good square one. Okay, so you can only do like double turns when they're like right turns. You can only do double. Does it corner cut? Oh yeah, pretty good. Okay, I'm excited to learn the square one. And it came with this cube stand, so you can put the square one. Nice. Okay, moving on. We have got another Angstrom cube coming, and it is the the GAN Angstrom's cube. This is the cube. Okay, so it's very controllable. Okay, let me try to do solve on this. haven't practiced cube in a while. Okay, I'm bad at cube, but this cube is good. Red logo. Okay. Now we have this kind of like weird key carbon fiber 2x2. Wait, okay, here it is. Oh, okay, it's very oily. Oh, okay. Okay, let me try to do solves on this carbon fiber 2x2. Wait, I can't recognize. Wait. Okay, yeah. Not the best for speed solving. But, I mean, like, if you want to have fun, then, yeah, you can use this. Oh, it's very tight. Okay, I think they already lubed this. It's very oily. If you go to a competition, I don't think you'll see anyone using this. Maybe for a backup, but not main for sure. Okay. Next cube. This Pyraminx. Moyu Weilong Pyraminx. This is the maglev version. So I heard the maglev version is like very fast, so let's see if it's too fast or controllable. Wait, oh no, I ripped it. Okay, let's see. So we have the Moyu stuff, this accessories stuff, and all this other stuff. And we finally have the Pyraminx with the logo on the yellow side. So that's nice. Okay, yeah, what is this? Okay, the cube. Okay, wow, it actually is very fast. The magnets are so strong, like, it just... Okay, let me try doing this over on this. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. This cube is very fast. Okay, it just, like, if you put a lot of force, it just, like, goes fine. Like, see? Normally Pyraminx, yeah. Normally Pyraminxes don't do this. Like, you just, like, flick it really hard. Okay. Maybe I have to, like, make this one tighter, because it's very fast. Okay, yeah, and now for one of the final stuff, we got a some lubes. Angstrom lubes. And these things to apply the lubes. And for some reason it came with a cube head logo. That's cool. Cube head. So I guess I can stick cube head's logo on one of my cubes. That's cool. I'm gonna stick it on, what should I stick it on? I guess I will just stick it on one of my cubes. When I do, I'll make a video about it. So yeah, this unboxing was very big. Got the Pyraminx, this cube, square one, this 2x2 thingy. What else we got? The R3 MV2 and lubes and thingies to apply them, and a lot of mess, a lot of plastic wrapping. This is all of the plastic wrapping we got. And finally, a cube head logo. So this is the end of my unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.